We at Myrtle Beach. DJ Delz.
Funko addicts, what's good? It's your boy Delz. Just got back from vacation, literally, and I got this box. I'm so excited I had to turn on the camera. This is the Marvel Collector's Corp box, and this month is featuring Deadpool. This is the first time that they're doing it on Amazon. They used to have it on the site, now it's on Amazon. Now, a lot of you Funko collectors know how terrible Amazon is with shipping pops. They come all messed up, come all damaged. So I was a little nervous about ordering this right here. They do have a new one next month coming out featuring Venom. I think I'm going to order it because I think this should be okay. But, you know, knock on wood, we got to check it out first. So let's check it out together. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. All right. Look at that right there. Oh, man. This Funko Pop is crazy. Let's take everything out of the box. We got the pop. It comes with this taco holder. We're going to get into this in a second. Let's take everything out first. And then it comes with this luggage thing. I think it's missing one item. It is missing an item. Supposed to have another item. That's all that's in the box. Let me know if they shorted me one item or not, but I think they did short me an item. I think they were supposed to come with a keychain. So it came with this taco holder, and I mean, this reminds me honestly of something that you would get with a Happy Meal, like a kid's Happy Meal. It's kind of weak. I mean, for the box, it's pretty weak. That keychain, I could have swore it came with. It was like a mini Funko, like you see Rick over there in the cut, hiding out, ready to blast someone. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to come with a keychain, and this right here is for your luggage, right there. And to me, that's like whatever. I feel like a lot of these boxes, they just put a lot of filler, and then it's got one cool thing in it. So, not happy about that really. As far as this pop, you got Deadpool on a damn unicorn. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. The box is a little jacked up on the corners. But, you know, 6-inch pops are usually jacked up, but still not an excuse. And I'm not happy about that. Oh, it's ripped over there too. Not cool at all. So I'm going to contact them because I'm not happy about that. Maybe they'll give me a partial refund or something. But they shorted me one item. I'm like 99% sure it's supposed to come with another item. And this wasn't cheap. I think it was like $25, $30. So, you know, give us everything. Don't short me. That's just whack. And taking them out of the box looks incredible, right? I mean, pretty freaking awesome, I must say. Let me know what you think of this Deadpool pop. Is this one of the best ones? I would say it's up there. Some of my other favorites real quick. The Deadpool Mermaid. I absolutely love the Deadpool Mermaid. Samurai Deadpool is great. King Deadpool. The Panda Pool is awesome. And of course, Deadpool as Bob Ross. Another favorite of mine. Hands down, one of the best. This one I think is still my favorite right here. And this one is up there too, man. I mean, really awesome. But I just honestly feel like I just paid like $25, $30. I think it was $30 the box. I'm pretty sure. Put it in the comment box below if you know the exact price. It didn't come with any kind of receipt or anything like that. So I don't know off top how much it cost. But, you know, for $30, Happy Meal kind of taco holder. I mean, a taco holder, really? This, to me, is not impressive, this box. For the first box that Amazon shipped out, that they do now with Marvel, not impressed at all. This keychain, this luggage thing, I'm never going to use that. I don't want any kind of draw, any kind of attention to my luggage. I never would put something like this on there. As much as I love Deadpool, like, this is whack. This is it's cute. This is fire right here. This is like why it's so awesome. But besides that, a little bit of a letdown. Why couldn't you just give us a t-shirt and the pop? That would have been great. If you gave us like a t-shirt like this with the pop, I would have been totally happy with sending these little junky trinkets, which they do all the time with a lot of these subscription boxes, and the rest of it is just like throwaways. Like, people are really excited about this right here. Maybe some of you guys are, but me personally, I sure the hell am not. I just think it's kind of whatever. Leave down in the comment box if you feel like this is awesome, like the taco truck. You know, defend it. Let me know in the comments that you love it. I don't hate it. I don't think it's horrible. I just don't think it's something that's making this box worth the price point that they're hitting us with. I'm looking at it as a consumer, not as a fan. Yes, as a fan, I enjoy it. I think it's cute. I think it's fun. But will I ever use this? No, I'm never going to use this Funko truck. And this, yeah, it's cool, but I would never use that too, as I was saying. And it came with like a little keychain. I want these subscription boxes to have stuff that we're going to want. Not stuff that, oh, that's cool. You know, I want subscription boxes to be all about stuff that I absolutely love. Like, oh man, this is awesome. Like, I'm going to actually use this. Not almost feel like, okay, I'm going to force myself to put some tacos on this. When I got tacos, especially when I'm making them at home, I'm putting them on a plate. I'm ready to go and eat. I'm not trying to display them on this cute little taco thing. I mean, yeah, maybe for Instagram would be fun, but besides that, nah, man, chill. But getting back to this pop, it is awesome. It is a bobblehead, like every other Marvel pop. I'm pretty sure all Marvel pops are bobbleheads, just like Star Wars. Does have a bad paint job, as you can see by the nose, that black speckled dot, which I already tried to wipe off and it's not coming off. And the horn is actually crooked, and I fixed it with my hand before even showing you guys. So I had to like bend it, and it still is a little crooked. As you can see, one thing I like how he has the gun in his hand. I think that's awesome right there. And there's a look at the back. It also has like a little bit of a background with the rainbow, which is pretty great. Definitely dig that. See the rainbow that was inside of the box? Awesome. There we go. It's a wrap for this video. Let me know what you think of this. If you're looking to do the subscription for the Venom Funko Pop box, the Marvel box with Amazon, I will put a link in the description box below to let you know. And I'm going to contact Amazon. I'll do a follow-up video if they do anything for me to fix this situation. Let me know what Funko Pops you're looking for. Maybe I can help you out. Maybe someone else can help you out. I'm looking for the Ant-Man chase, the Wasp chase, and I am also looking for a Pikachu because I need one for myself. I was able to get one for both of my kids, but I want one for my collection too. I did do an unboxing review. Check it out. I will have a pop-up somewhere on the screen, or go to my newest videos. And I will put other Funko Pops I think you may want to lock in the description box below. Also, quick heads up, this Thanos is on clearance right now. I was able to pick it up for $8.98, okay? So the Thanos is available at select Targets for clearance. So rush over to your Target. Hopefully you're able to score. Please thumbs up the video if you had fun watching for this honest review. I'm trying to give you guys honest reviews. I love Deadpool, but I gotta, like, at the same time give you guys like a review as a customer, as a consumer. Is it worth getting? I personally don't think it's worth getting unless this was a must-have Funko Pop. If this was a must-have for you, then of course you got to get it. But unless you could go without this, then it really wasn't worth it in my opinion. Kind of overpriced. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll catch you guys soon with a new video.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I just got off the phone with Amazon. Quick update. And they are actually giving me a full refund, and I do not have to return my guy right there, Deadpool on the unicorn, being that they have none available to replace this one. So they did the right thing. I mean, it would have been whack if they asked me to return it. But if you're going to release these boxes and you're missing an item, that's just not a good look. Will I order the Venom one that's available now? I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence because I just don't know if it's really worth it, being that I'm not happy with the actual products that it came with. I mean, I absolutely love this pop. Like, let's make it clear, like, I really dig this one. Huge fan of Deadpool, the comics and the movie. So, movies, plural. So, I definitely am happy to have this in the collection, but as far as a Venom box next month, I just don't know if it's going to be worth it or not. Let me know your opinions if you think I should go for it or nah, save your money for something else. Leave that in the comment box below. And I will once again just to remind you, put info in the description box if you're looking for this and other new Funko that I think you may want to lock in. Plus, join my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. You get an hour podcast every single week. Plus, you're entered into a monthly giveaway. You pick the Funko Pop prize and I will send you multiple Funko Pops. Over there now, link will be in the description box.